Hello everyone, this is Hunter at Vapor Honing Technologies, and today we're going to be discussing our most underrated machines. We're going to hop into the showroom, so stay tuned. So this is our first machine, the VH700. The first thing you're gonna notice about this is its size. Inside, you're gonna get a 24 by 18 by 20 workspace. What makes this machine so great is that it's a top load. You can get this machine in a benchtop form or a standalone form like we have here. This machine does start at $1,600 for the open loop and goes up to $2,500 for the closed loop. It is covered by our lifetime warranty, so all of the non-consumable pieces of this cabinet are covered under that warranty. And the thing about this that makes it so great is it's just as capable as any of our other cabinets. It will produce the same finish. It's more so if you have a tight, compact workspace in your garage, you need something small, either benchtop or freestanding that doesn't take up a lot of space. This is the perfect machine for you. It's gonna fit up to an intake. And next, we're gonna move on to our next machine. So next we have our dry soda blasting. You can really use this in any of our dry cabinet setups. We just have it set up in a 3500 format. A soda dry blast can remove rust, light paint, grime, greases, oils, things of that nature without damaging the part or the substrate. And the soda that is used in this machine can also be washed away very easily after the blasting process is done. Stay tuned, we're moving on to our next machine. So next is our RoboIQ. This is complete collaborative automation that is really adaptable at a fraction of the cost. Need we say any more about this machine? Set it, forget it, walk away, your part's done when you come back. We're moving on to our next machine. Next is our Hydro Blast. This is a completely underrated machine. If you are in an industry where you're constantly dealing with dirty parts, this is really good if you are in like a mechanic shop setting or any type of remanufacturing setting. This machine is really good because it doesn't only use a detergent and heat, it also uses high pressure, anywhere from 1200 to 4000 PSI. This is really high paced and high speed, so you can get parts done quicker in a manual setting rather than waiting a little bit longer in more of an automated setting. And with that, we're moving on to our final machine. So an honorable mention, since I don't have this machine in my showroom, is the VH4000 Track and Car. This machine's really good for, let's say, like V8 engine blocks. It's actually a loading station that comes on the side of the machine that allows you to just push that piece into the cabinet on a turntable that is sitting on a cart and blast it that way. So it's a lot easier to put the part in the cabinet and take it out of the cabinet without having to crane it in or out. If you have any questions, please give us a call. We're always happy, we're always available to help. Our number here is 828-202-5563. Have a great day.